Hi! In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best ways to protect your truck scale from the impacts of snow and ice. So don't go anywhere. Just like any tool or implement that generates revenue for your enterprise, a high-quality truck scale should perform reliably for many years. But with years of use comes years of changing seasons, and in colder climates, a truck scale may be affected by winter weather conditions, such as extreme temperatures along with snow and ice. Once you've invested in a truck scale and installed it in an area that experiences freezing temperatures, you may wonder how to protect your truck scale from ice and snow. Precipitation buildup on or around a truck scale can affect its accuracy. If snow and ice accumulate around suspension components or between the weighbridge and the foundation, it can compromise scale functions. This can result in incorrect weighments and a potential loss of profit. Even if you manage to avoid the snow, buildup of dirt and debris may contain moisture, which can freeze and prevent a scale from functioning properly. If your scale has been exposed to snow, it may be time to consider snow removal services. It can be tedious to carefully remove slush and snow from the surface of a scale using a shovel or a broom, so scale owners will often opt to use power equipment. A plow is typically the first choice, but this may not be the best solution when dealing with a highly sensitive weighing instrument like a truck scale. A powered rotary brush or snowblower will prove less damaging than a snowplow, which operates using a blade that could damage the deck of the scale. A snowblower is often a better choice with snowfall over 2 inches, as it moves the snow away from the area around the scale. When snow builds up next to a scale, it can drift underneath it, causing suspension parts to become frozen in place. If snow blows under the scale, it may become incapable of weighing properly. Snow that melts and refreezes can cause ice to form around suspension components, resulting in inaccurate weight readings. To combat this, some scale owners place hay bales or similar barriers around the scale to prevent snow from blowing under the scale. Ice storms can be equally damaging to truck scales, as freezing rain may build up on suspension components and on weighbridge joints designed to flex. The weighbridge surface then becomes extremely dangerous to walk on, and removing the ice can be very difficult. Steam cleaning equipment is often used to remove ice buildup on a scale, and it's safer than using chemicals. I hope this video helped you better understand the effects of winter weather and how it can affect your truck scale. If you liked this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!